Hey guys, it's Carmen. I just wanted to come in to talk to you about our new Stoneware Glaze Oxblood. So Oxblood is a milky, transparent, semi-gloss glaze that's going to pull with this beautiful deep red kind of variation that happens with the glaze. So if you are a fan of this red variation that happens, I would recommend applying your glaze really heavy. On our basic application instructions, it says to apply 3 to 4 coats. Really make sure you're laying it on there. You could, depending on your hand, you might even want to do 5 or 6 coats to make sure you're getting that glaze variation. This latte cup here that I painted 3 really heavy coats on, and there's not a lot of red that happens. So if I wanted to have more red, I would definitely have wanted to put maybe 4, maybe even 5 coats. On the inside here, you can see it's a little bit more red. I have 4 coats there. And then this tile here, I have 5 coats on. So that kind of shows you the staggering of the glaze application. And I would say I definitely have a pretty heavy hand. So if you do want that red, apply it really heavy. You don't have to worry about it flowing off of your piece or anything like that. This glaze doesn't have a lot of movement. It is really, really stable. So if you are applying that glaze really, really liberally, I wouldn't worry about it running or moving or firing to your kiln shelf or anything like that. As far as performance goes, like I said, the glaze is really, really stable. It's not going to have a lot of movement or anything with it. It does have a tendency to craze. So if you aren't sure or want to see if it crazes, I would definitely recommend doing a test on your clay body in your kiln to see how it reacts there. I did it on our stoneware bisque here and didn't have any crazing. So if you have any of our stoneware bisque in-house and you don't want any crazing, that's a good way to do it. I already did the test for you there. And then this glaze is both food and dinnerware safe, as with most of our stoneware glazes as well. Be sure to check the label for the cone 10 results. As with all of our stoneware glazes, that has a firing range from cone 5 to cone 10. The cone 10 results are going to be listed on your label. We have them on our website, and we have them in our stoneware brochure if you want to see images of them. This glaze actually works really, really nicely at cone 10. This kind of milkiness that happens goes away, and you end up with just this really, really vibrant red through a really transparent clear glaze. So that milkiness is gone and the red becomes more vibrant. So it's a really, really nice glaze at cone 10 in addition to its results at cone 6. If you have any questions or anything like that, please drop them in the comments. I would love to answer them for you. And yeah, contact your closest Mako distributor to pick up your pint of our new glaze. Thanks guys. See ya.